Hello you guys and welcome to my channel. Ugh. Embossing ink everywhere. Oh yeah, I got an emboss on here too. Welcome to my channel. We are doing CraftiQ today. Today is the day for the Hop for CraftiQ challenge. I am a big old slacker and I am like last to post, I think. But I wanted to get it done because it's one, my challenge group. Don't know why I'm such a pokebutt. Two, I had some time to create, so why not, right? Especially when I'm supposed to. So I'm going to play with, I have some leftovers of Print Shop that I am playing with today for the CraftiQ challenge because one, it was already on my desk for something I was creating for a future layout, and two, it has some things in it that kind of help me take care of the CraftiQ challenge. So for this month's challenge, the layers, if you've never been to the CraftiQ group, I highly recommend you join us. Just disregard the fact that the creator and host hardly ever is on there because she's busy, and not that I forget about you guys, but things, life, that. But I create the challenge every month just to give some inspiration and to get you in your craft room, even if you're busy like me and you just want to get in there for 15 to 20 minutes 7 days in a row. There's a little layer I post for 7 days, the first 7 days of the month. We post the layer, and then so you can kind of craft along with those challenges, those layers that I put out, or you can wait and treat it like a recipe challenge, wait till all the layers have been posted, and then go ahead and create your layout. And then I always add a twist. I don't know if anybody else noticed the twist that is hopping along today because I didn't get to go live this month like I wanted to talk about the twist, but my son, it's his birthday month, so I had him help me. He just turned 9 on the 17th. I had him help me pick out the challenge for this month. So let's get to it. The 7 layers are: use the Freaky Fast formula from the scrap room for this month. So a Freaky Fast formula is just a fun way to create a layout by cutting your paper and using those cuts to create something. So the 4 cuts they have today are 2 1/4 by 10 and, oh, I did 2 1/2, I think, on mine. Well, I'll be trimming that down. Yeah, that's definitely 2 1/2. 2 1/4 by 10 1/2, a 2 by 11. Trim that down. 2 by 11, a 6 1/2 by 10 1/2, and a 6 by 8. I'm cheating a little, and well, one, because I forgot I cut a 6 by 8, and then I cut another 6 by 8, and it was supposed to be 6 1/2 by 10 1/2. So we're gonna cheat and make it look like there's a 6 1/2 by 10 1/2 under. We're gonna layer this under, so we're cheating a little. Okay, so use the Freaky Fast formula. So take those 4 cuts, cut something you like, and use that on your layout. I've got my other pieces right here. Also use reverse stamping. So I grabbed this with a stencil. I grabbed this stencil, which is a Vicky Bouton stencil. I thought it would be perfect because I'm going to use this paper as my background. So I'm going to add some more circles, probably amongst those and other places. So I'm going to do some reverse stamping. You're supposed to use 7 stickers. So I'll have to find I have chipboard stickers, I have regular stickers, and I have puffy stickers in this collection. So I think I'm going to get 7 on there. Journal in 2 places. I could totally do that. And journaling can just be a little bit. Emboss, got to do that. Sequins, and green. Well, I've got my green already. I need to emboss, get some sequins. And then the bonus twist, or the twist, is hide a dinosaur somewhere. So I'm going to go ahead and go sneak in my Chamel and see if I try and find some dinosaurs. I know I have some fussy cut. I'm pretty sure I do. If I don't know where. I'm gonna find dinosaur stickers or something. But hide a dinosaur on your page. So that's kind of fun because my son loves dinosaurs. So I have 3 photos of my son playing when we were on a trip. And I'm just going to journal about being thankful that we go most places where there's other people who have kids and we don't have to pack like toys and things because there's something that's going to entertain him usually. So that is what I'm going to journal about. So I kind of I cut all my photos down to 4 inches tall, and then I matted them on this Creative Memories paper. No, not Creative Memories. Is that it? I think it might be it. I have one of them, a strip of that as well, right here. So that, maybe we'll do something like so. I don't know. I don't know how to do that yet. I haven't decided, because that's my math, so. Okay, anywho, so now you know what I'm supposed to be doing. Let's try and figure out something, shall we? So I'm gonna go ahead and get some, what do I want to do this with? Do I want to do shimmers? Do I want to do markers? Do I want to do ink? I might just do ink. I'm going to reverse stamp, so I'm going to show you what that is if you don't know. We're going to just ink up my stencil. Yeah. Reverse stamp with the stencil. Okay, so I'm just going to do a lot of that with the different colors and the different circles and kind of add it to it, get some more to my background pretty much. Yeah. All right, I've come up with this sort of stacked look, which I'm really enjoying, but I think we need some distressing. So after doing all that reverse stamping, and then we need to emboss something. It just feels weird to like cover a lot of this up, but that's what we're doing. All right, so I'm working on some other things now. Trying to figure out how I can like make this page kind of come alive. This was on the pocket card from this pattern paper, so I think I'm gonna add it right here. Want it under. There we go. Because then I thought, here's one puffy sticker. That could be like that. That's cute. This is a sticker. I'm going to cut in half. Kind of in half. And we're going to have that be there. And that one be there. It's not going to go all the way down, but I was going to have it get completed. Oh yeah, sticky stuff. From when that circle was there, I was like, what is sticky? I think I'm going to have this word details be my title. I have it kind of nestle right there. So there's 3 stickers. Just 4 more to go. Have that come out. Ooh, I like that. Okay, so 4 stickers used. Because this is not a sticker, but these are. I'm just going to put taking pictures to save the memories. These are chipboard stickers. This is us. These are all little ephemera bits. I don't know if I'll use those. Oh yeah, I was gonna write the date. All right, I think I just have to emboss something yet, which we can easily do. I think I'm gonna journal really quick. Here and here. I'm gonna do getaway details. All right, I fussy cut a dinosaur and tucked him right there. I'm going to splatter with emboss. So I'm going to just make these dots embossed. So those dots are embossed. So we're gonna do, so they're not, it's not like giant standout embossing, but it's embossing and it's there. Okay, so now I have true, whoa, it was open. True blue sequins. That didn't go very well. I've completed all the items on the CraftiQ challenge. I rather like this. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. And make sure you check out everybody else who is playing with the CraftiQ challenge. I'll have them all linked down below. Thank you guys so much again. Bye.